Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add location on Skype. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add location on Skype. Maybe because you have a lot of clients that you're dealing on Skype, so you just want to give the location of your office or wherever you work from, or maybe you just want to see the relevant locations near you, so that's why you want to add location. Or it could be any other reason for you to add location on Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype app. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen. At the bottom, we have four options, and at the top, we have other four options. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we just have to simply click on our profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you get here, you will see different options on your screen. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose here. So from all these options, you have to simply click on this option which says Skype profile. This one, you just have to simply tap on it. After that, we will get into it. Once you get here, you will see different options on your screen. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this option which says birthday. Because unfortunately we don't have any option here through which we can change the address or location. So for that we have to get into the birthday, and with the help of this option we could easily get to the location setting. Therefore we just have to simply click on birthday. After that, you will land into this page. On the top, you will see the title of profile, and there you will see different options. Once you get there, you just have to simply scroll down a bit, and there you will see this option, which is location, this one. So with the help of that, you can easily add location, or you could say your address. The best thing here is that you don't have to actually add your home number or your street number. You just have to simply add your city, your province or state, or in the country you live in. So here what you could do is that you could either start with the city, or you can start with the opposite option, which is the country. So once you click on here, all the countries options will pop up, and from there you can select any country of your choice. The country should be in which you live or you're currently living in. You just have to simply search for a country, and when it will appear on your screen, just tap on that country. After that, that country will be selected. After that, the country in which you live, you just have to simply add its province or the state in which you live or you currently living. As I have selected USA, that's why I am typing its province, or you could say its state, New York. After that, you just have to simply go for the city in which you live. You just have to simply type the name of the city in which you live or your country living or where you belong to. Once you're done with all that, what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this option which says save changes, and after that it will get saved on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add location on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.